Hello, welcome back to the Real World Garage. We're back today on the bug, and we've had the carburetor soaking for about a week. So what are we going to do today?
We're going to evaluate the carburetor, see if we need to get a new one, see what we need to do to it if we don't need a new one.
So there you go. All right, let's get into it. Okay, let's pop the lid and see what we've got. Nope, first stop. You got your safety glasses?
No, I do not.
Gloves, hand me my gloves. Safety third.
You need to get me a pair of safety glasses that isn't crooked on my face.
Your head's crooked, it's not the glasses.
Sure.
Alright, they're going to be a little big on you. I think you'll live through it. I have to try to find you some small glasses.
You mean gloves?
Yeah, gloves.
I got itty bitty lady hands.
Lady hands. She has lady hands. Alright, let's open this container.
It proved easy. Proved useful in the past though.
Yes, those little bitty lady hands have proved to be nice in small places. Okay. For the reveal. Bum, bum, bum. Well, it's cleaner. Butterfly's still frozen though. Okay. We'll have to work on that. Let's lift the basket up out of here. Change color.
Yep. Got quite a bit darker, didn't it?
It did. Alright, let's drop that back down in there. Set this to the side. We may end up having to re-soak it. Let this rag catch some of the spray. So that clean up. Whoa. Yeah, that's coming pretty clean.
Want to show me that one?
Yeah, I'll have to show you that trick sometime. Yeah, that came, well, the crud came off of that.
Well, that's good.
Alright. Let's get out the carburetor cleaner. Give it a quick hose down. See what comes off.
The carburetor cleaner right there.
Yeah, as pterodactyl says, carburetor. Straw didn't fit real. Not that nothing. Good job.
Safety glasses are there for a reason.
Yeah, everything's straight in the face
Or they because you're fitting myself a little bit.
though. Got some curl on it.
Hold it, Nathan.
A little bit. Carburetor cleaner, you need gloves.
Maybe that's where paint control's coming from.
It's still pretty strong. Alright, well, let's keep spraying it all. Almost got myself in the face.
Oh, Dad, you just sprayed me.
I told you.
Oh.
Told you.
Mm.
You'll live. But I told you.
It didn't get in my eyes, so I'm not going to go blind. Didn't feel great, though.
Okay.
Probably going to break out right there.
Alright, now that I've gotten it somewhat sprayed down and this thing is a little cleaner, let's see if we can remove this bolt right here. And there should be a jet that we can access and see if soaking it has helped anything with regards to getting some of this stuff out. Because it's so dirty. Nope, not yet. see if it did anything for this little piece up here. Try a different screwdriver. Ooh, yeah, that one came out. All right, we got some progress. That jet came out. Alright, now let's find something to take this out. I'm not sure what size. 12, but we'll try 12. Nope, we're gonna cheat. Let's see. Ah, good. Good. Alright.
And he always told me to never cheat.
Alright. Let's see. Yep, it'll fit. Let's see. Can they see what I'm doing here?
Yes.
You can see down inside there?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Here we go.
Alright, there's a jet down in there. And that's what we have to try to get out and get some of these passages cleared. Oh, and she came out. Hot dog.
Success.
Putting that back ought to be fun. Alright, watch your eyes. Back up.
Not repeat the incident of the carburetor's cleaner of 2020.
Okay, those passages seem to be clear. That one's clear. This one does not appear to want to be clear. I'm pretty sure it goes to the accelerator pump. If we don't get that passage, those passages clear, we ain't gonna be able to save it. Right. Let me see if I can come up with a guitar string. That's how my son's a musician. That might be possible. Okay. Took a couple minutes there. Let's see if we can get, there we go. Get the squirter out of there. That's where your squirt from your accelerator pump. Let's get it out of the way. Let's see if anything comes up through. It goes through this passage. Yep, it's coming up. Yep, that passage is clear. Passage we're having a problem with is from the bowl. It doesn't seem there. It's coming out. There it is. It's finally opened up. All right. Well, let's get some compressed air, and we'll rinse it off with some fresh water, and then we'll take some compressed air, and we're gonna blow out some of the passages. So just hang on a minute. All right, try it with me. Here.
He doesn't sound very happy.
Rinse that off. And then we'll power that. More power, baby. There you go.
So much not water in there.
All right, let's take his compressed air now. Here, hand me that. All right.
Sounds like a little air dry at the dentist's office.
Okay.
All clean. There we go. 40.
Alright. Screws wouldn't come out of this the other day. Here, take those screws out. There's 2 more screws. I'll hit this with some cleaner. Okay. Hey, come here. Watch this. See how it's got a dowel pin right there?
Yeah.
It's an alignment hole for it. See how I did that? Carefully set the spring up there. Line that back up and push straight down. Like that. See if you can do that. You gotta hold it like I was holding it.
My 12's not on.
I'll shut this noise maker off.
Good plan.
Alright, can she do it? Whoop. Yes, now hold it down and start your screws. You gotta keep holding it down.
It's not exactly easy when you have a ½ inch of extra glove. That didn't go in right.
Just drop it straight in and you can do it with your screwdriver. Once you get one started, push it all the way down. Push your teeth. You've not got it one. There you go. Now hold it down. Once you get one snugged up, you can take and let it go. Start the others. There you go.
Once one is done, the others are easy. If you get your screwdriver up.
Alright, I'll snug up on the other one. Get in the slot. There you go. Okay. Alright, now let's see if we can get that choke freed up a little bit better. Yeah.
Okay.
Sit it down there. I'll be right over. Alright. Arm got bent, I think. Just a tinch. Alright. Let's see if we can get some oil dropped on those pivots. Well, it's starting to free up a little. What's wrong with this can of PB Blaster? But it's giving up on us. Stick for pliers. Makes it a little easier.
With the leather, so that's probably extra leather. You want to make it easier for you to reach out.
It's just about floppy free.
Well, that didn't take very long.
Okay. Let's look at this body again. It's not as clean as I like, but I don't have a sandblast cabinet, so I will have to live with what it is. There's one screw down here we couldn't get out the other day. Let's see. Now that we've cleaned it a little bit, it will come out. No. It will not.
If Daddy can't get it, it's real hard in there, isn't it?
Yep. We're gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try putting it on the table where I can push down on it.
I heard some cracking.
No, you heard my hands cracking.
Oh, jeez. Maybe that's not a great sign.
We may have to do what I really don't want to do, but I may do anyway.
What?
Apply heat.
Filming.
Alright, you ready?
Hold on, I gotta adjust the light. There we go.
Let him by. Are you going?
Yes.
Alright, so we're going to add a little heat. Turn that down a little bit. Okay. I can't tell exactly what happened, but it did not like the heat, apparently.
Did you ruin my carburetor?
I don't know if I ruined it or not. That piece of jet. Part of the screw head just like broke off when I added heat. I mean, I didn't put much heat on it. You saw what I added.
Yeah, not much.
Tip to the wise, don't add heat. We're just gonna leave it alone now, put it back together and see what happens, I guess. Yeah, I think we're gonna end up buying a carburetor anyway because there's so much corrosion inside of this one and stuff. Maybe we can get it back together enough to hear the engine run. Okay, let's see. What do we got to put back in this here carburetor? Alright.
The peanut butter jar's down there.
Actually, the peanut butter jar is up here.
Oh, you just moved it.
I did move it.